The safety of family members is a topmost priority for us, and pet owners wouldn't disagree that their pet is the best companion that they could ever have. Hence, the safety of the pet is a matter of utmost importance, since it's painful for us to imagine a day without our adored four-legged family member. Four-legged pets, for instance, dogs and cats like to play outside, and as a parent, you wouldn't want to lock your kids all the time, but you can't afford to look after them always. Technology has brought a perfect solution to this problem, which is a GPS tracker that lets you confine the pet within your preferred boundaries. We find PetFon Pet GPS Tracker to be one of the most efficient and cheapest pet trackers for the owners of puppies and kittens.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more next tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The PetFon Pet GPS Tracker is produced with a combination of GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and wireless technology. The GPS tracker sends accurate signals that can quickly locate the real-time position of the pet. It doesn't require any SIM card, but uses Google's big data interface to send location signals. Therefore, it doesn't require any monthly subscription payment. The PetFon Pet GPS Tracker device has a high-end laser craving antenna embedded in it, which can track the radius of 0.65 miles in the city area and 3.5 miles in the open area. The geofencing option lets you define a safe area, and it sends signals if your pet is near to the border of the defined area. It comes with the option of 11 different colored lights that you can activate to locate your pet during the nighttime. The amazing voice command option of the PetFon GPS Tracker lets you record a message on the tracker. You can activate it remotely and send a message to your pet. The tracker speaker emits 70 decibel sounds loud enough for the pet to understand. The tracker's battery can hold the charge from 8 hours to 16 hours, and it comes with a charging station that can provide a backup for 4 days. The product is waterproof and small, perfect for using outdoor and rainy weather, but it's not suitable for swimming. The weight of the GPS tracker is 26.7 grams only. Your pet won't even know its existence on its collar. Customers and users of the product can tell us the usefulness of the PetFon GPS tracker better than anyone else. Therefore, we studied what the customers are saying about the product and how they have rated the product. We find that Amazon users of the product have given 4.1 stars out of 5 stars, and there were 375 user reviews on the Amazon page. Users reported that the product comes with excellent tech support, better battery life, commendable GPS accuracy, and easy to use. Here are some real users' comments. One user has given a 5-star to the GPS tracker and commented, "When it works, it's fantastic. I saw that my cat was en route to home, and it said that he was at my home, so I opened the door to the garage, and here he just walked into the garage." Another user commented after giving a 5-star review, "So far, I'm very happy. After trying all the others, finally, I have one that actually tracks real time, which is most important. It gives you precise location. The mobile app is much nicer than any other." Although most of the customers are satisfied with the product, there are some unsatisfied customers as well. One dissatisfied user commented after giving a 2-star to the product. PetFon GPS is relatively easy to activate, install, and customize. I was able to get a solid tracking signal up to 0.8 miles in heavy woods, which I think is not bad, but well short of the advertised 3 miles radius. Then a tracker controller communication was lost, and the whole system became an expensive, nice looking toy. That's all we have on the PetFon Pet GPS Tracker for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.